So today I'm going to be making some slime, and this is really easy to make. So if you don't want to buy glue or you don't have an activator, you can just follow this recipe. It's really easy to make slime with this recipe. So this is what you'll need. You'll need a mixing bowl, and in here I have a two-in-one soap or whatever. So you need a two-in-one. Please don't get a three-in-one. Three-in-ones do not work for this recipe. So you want a two-in-one soap, and this is just a random cup. You'll need a mixing tool, and you'll need some salt. I'm using sea salt. You can use any kind of salt you have, but I'm using sea salt. So first you're going to take your, two-in-one soap, and mine smell really nice. It smells like green tea, and it's a really pretty mint color. So I'm gonna add salt in here. I'm adding a sprinkle at a time, and now I'm going to mix it. You can see it forming together. It's getting thicker. It's getting a lot thicker than before. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's a lot clearer and thicker. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. And now it's really goopy. And it's nice and slimy. It's kind of sticky, but you just need to add more salt. But you don't want to add too much salt or it'll become more watery, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it. Whoa, look at that. Look at that cool slime. It's not really sticky now. It's pretty nice. But it does leave like a sticky residue behind, but it's okay. I'm just going to place this inside and keep on mixing it. You can see that it's still kind of sticky, but that's okay. I'm just gonna add more salt in here, like so. I'm gonna have to wash this or wipe this off, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I just simply wiped that off, but yeah, we have here slime. This is actually a really nice slime to make because look, now it's like totally slime. Well, I would say it's kind of a fail because it's really sticky, but the color is just so pretty. It's a pretty, I don't know, teal, but it's really sticky. You can see it's all over my hand. And it's not really slime, but when you gently touch it, it's kind of like slime. But this was kind of a fail. I think because I added too much salt And as I said before, too much salt will make this too watery, and I did add too much salt. So if you're gonna make this at home, make sure to not add too much salt. Just maybe add enough to make it slimy form, because as you can see, it's all over my hand, and this, I don't know, I just made a failed slime. But anyway, make sure to subscribe and give this video I know, it's really messy, a thumbs up. And bye guys, stay awesome!